Hi friend, aim for a moon. If you miss, you will be among the stars. Why am I saying this, friend? What happened, friend? At the phase of a starting of English speaking, most of students want to speak fluent English, and they should have a aim to speak a fluent English. Neither most of students what did for a interview purpose for any particular basis they prefer for English and they will satisfy after that. But friend, after one start to English speaking, if you are able to speak little bit, then remaining English is too much easy. That's why you should have a aim to speak a fluent English. Neither I saw most of friends they prepared some interview question and on that basis they make some reply. They remember it continuously and prepare on that basis. Friend, I want to suggest you if you are able to do these things, then you can speak fluent English one day. Only you have to take a patience and you have to practice regularly. That's friend, you should always think that you should speak a fluent English. And for that purpose, friend, one most important things you can do everyday basis. You have to think in English. It's it will be habit to you, it will be too much easy for you. Only everyday basis what is going around you, you should start to think in English. Automatically your English will be improved. You don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to join any coaching classes. Only everyday basis you have to think in English. And friend, if you like this video, please subscribe, press the bell icon and share with your friend. Because friend, next video notification you will get and it will be helpful for you.